This tongue, look how patchy it is. Okay, this shows mucus accumulation. In fact, it covers the whole body. But look at this section right here. This is the stomach. When you see a peeled tongue like this, it shows a yin or life force deficiency. And it's not only on the stomach, it's on the spleen as well. So remember, the spleen cleans the blood. It is not good. You need to use the spleen, lymphatic spleen tincture to strengthen this. The lungs are also congested. Look at the lungs here. These are lungs. And at the back, right back here, this section right here is the pancreas, small intestines. Also congested. Look at the over here, the large bowels. A lot of congestion in the large bowels, rectum, bladder, prostate. Okay, here's the kidneys and adrenals. Look, it's turned to a green color. A lot of mucus congestion in the kidneys and adrenals. You need to fix this. Here's the liver and gallbladder. Also congestion in the liver and gallbladder. Quite a bit of mucus congestion in the liver and gallbladder. When you see a tongue like this with the teeth marks, it shows it's deficient spleen, and it's clear here that the spleen is deficient. Okay, a geographical tongue shows stomach yin deficiency. As I mentioned, this all here is the stomach. Here's the heart. So stomach yin deficiency and a deficiency of the chi or life force of the body. This tongue needs a lot of work. There's candida and sulfur, potential candida in here as well. Okay, the white patchy look is potential candida, and it reflects the mucus accumulation in the gut as well. And this needs to be cleaned up. Right here is the brain section. Right here, you see congestion in the brain. Right here is the heart, as I mentioned. Okay, here the sinuses, the thyroid, all congested. It's peeling red. It means a lot of heat in the body, a lot of acidosis in the body. This can take a little bit of time to clean up, but our Hamster fruit diet with the herbs and I just mentioned.